Hey, I'm going to be teaching you the simple things to look out for to make you a more profitable trader. Let's start with candlestick patterns. This is a doji. It has a minimal body and minimal upper and lower wicks. It tells you there's indecisiveness in the market between the bulls and the bears. Although it could go up or down from here, the preceding pattern and other indicators help push the doji in our favor. If the stock has just risen before forming the doji, where the bulls and bears have hung for a bit trying to decide if the price is right, then it might be forming a reversal. So shorting the stock or locking in profits if you're already in the trade are options to consider and keep in mind. If the stock's been falling, the doji creates the question of, are the bears still in control or are the bulls going to step up? So you may consider buying the stock or exiting your short position. Never take the doji as a signal on its own, and always consider the context and look at other things which tip the potential trade in your favor. Here's a weekly graph of Tesla at the end of last year. You can see it's risen quite a bit, pulled back slightly, then made a lower high and then a lower low. Now bouncing again and ending at a doji. It makes me ask, will Tesla make a new lower high right here and go down, presenting me with a short opportunity? I watch for another candle, which attempts to break through but closes beneath the upper end of the channel, increasing the chances of the stock dropping as it's unable to break the pattern. If you were to short here, you could end up with a 27 to 35% gain. I would aim slightly higher than the lower end of the channel just to be safe, and closely monitor the price when it's pierced through the moving averages to get here. That's all from me. If you want to expand your toolkit to improve your trading and hear about more opportunities in the future that you could trade and profit from, follow me to stay updated. I'll be sharing my exact entries, aims, and exit with you guys on this channel, so don't miss out.